So, so. Refreshing, man. Welcome guys, welcome to the channel True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, we are now in Lacovia, St.Elizabeth. So we're gonna take a tour from Lacovia. I'm coming from the Santa Cruz direction, which I will take you all to in the Holland Bamboo area. So we all know after Hurricane Melissa, I know Holland Bamboo is a tourist attraction. So we're gonna take a tour into the Holland Bamboo area that was destroyed by Hurricane Melissa. So guys, big up on yourself anywhere now watch from here and abroad. You can big up on yourself. This is your tour guide Fire Reid. So we tour different places in Jamaica, different parishes, where to go, when to go. We all know, you remember the Texaco gas station was on the road and they have a two-tomb in the road. Yeah man, who know them two-tomb in on the road? Gas station on your left and heading to the turn off we can go to. If you make the left turn, on the left you have the post office. Next to the post office, the turn off to Lacovia High School. So on the right we will see that Texaco gas station. You see the Jamaica flag right there. That is the two tomb side by side on the road. So we all know there was a story about that tomb in that area. So guys, the community known as Tombstone in St. Elizabeth, near the junction of Lacovia and Magati, got its name from a well-known local legend dating back to the 1700s. Yes, my beautiful people. Two young men had a serious quarrel, believed to have started at the tavern in Lacovia. The dispute ended in a war where they killed each other. They were buried side by side and two tombstones was erected to mark their grave. So we all know grave we call in other places. Yeah man, some people call it tomb, some people call it other name and stuff. So over time that area become to known as a tombstone. So that is a landmark for that area guys. So when you're driving in this area also, please look out for a stray animal. And also be careful for a pothole and also speed. Speeding is a factor in this area. So you're gonna find a lot of police in that area. And you're gonna get a speeding ticket. And the law in Jamaica right now, so many different laws. So you're gonna drive with care. Make sure so you don't check on the tire when you not go to morning time in the water. So we are heading to one place with them call even name Rice Piece. We pass Rice Piece, turn off. Heading to Holland Bamboo. A lot of people read about even coffee spin. A lot of people back in the days afraid to go a coffee spin because they heard of crime and violence and all that stuff. But a lot of things has changed in Jamaica guys. So please come and visit our beautiful island St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, so if you wanna reach out to me, if I can do a video in that area, I will try my best. So my beautiful people, stick and stay. We are going into Holland Bamboo in St. Elizabeth. One love my beautiful people, also one heart. So yes, my beautiful people, welcome to Holland Bamboo. Today we are visiting the famous Holland Bamboo in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica, one of the island's most beautiful photographical nature attraction. This breathtaking bamboo tunnel stretches from about 4 kilometers and was planted in the mid 1700s by the owner of the Holland Bamboo estate. Originally, the bamboo provides shade for people traveling between the estate and the town of Lacovia. As we drive through this peaceful greenery, you will see visitors from all over the world stop here to take photographs, enjoy the refreshing coconut, and experience the beauty of Jamaica countryside. If you enjoy this covering hidden gems across Jamaica, don't forget like the video with people and share and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let's continue the journey through beautiful St. Elizabeth. Yes, my people, as I said before, after Hurricane Melissa, Holland Bamboo was destroyed and also by fire. In a few months' time, you're gonna see a lot of different types of vendors on the roadside. I think they're gonna set it up to a more tourist attraction. It is a tourist attraction, but you're gonna see different things in Holland Bamboo area, guys. And also, when you're going through Lacovia, some people want to use the bathroom. You have a rest stop there. The rest stop is called Cane Cove. Yes, man, Cane Cove. So at Cane Cove, you can get your juicy beef patty and your different snacks, and you use the bathroom, guys. So feel free to explore our beautiful St. Elizabeth in the Holland Bamboo area, guys. And we all know in Holland Bamboo we have a curry goat shop in Holland Bamboo. Yeah, man, big up yourself, Fatty. This curry goat shop, I would say I give it 10 out of 10. Curry goat are well seasoned, guys. And the curry goat shop, the painting color is yellow with the Lacovia sign. So please stop and check out the curry goat shop with Holland Bamboo, guys. One love and one of my beautiful people. Stick and stay. So yes, my beautiful people, So this is the rest stop right here. It's called Cane and Cove on your left. So you need to stop there, so if you want to use the bathroom and you can get your juicy beef patty. Yes, man. So yes, my beautiful people, on your right, this is where you have the curry goat shop. Yeah man, so I need to come get on the curry goats. Nice curry goat, my beautiful people.